Yes, good morning, my dear students. As you know, nowadays COVID-19 problem is going on a lot of. How do we all protect ourselves from it so that we can all be safe? First, wear mask properly. Second, stay at least 6 feet from others. Third, wash your hand frequently. Fourth, don't touch your face, don't shake hands, and don't share food and water with others. So dear student, in this way we can protect ourselves and other also. Thank you. Yes student, today we'll discuss here exercise, problem solving exercise 15.1. The first question here given, find the mean deviation about the mean for the data in exercise question number first and second. Means in two questions you will find the mean deviation about the mean, and other two questions you will find the mean deviation about the median. So I will solve one question about the mean or one question about the median. So then question number third and fourth we will solve about the median, mean deviation about the median, or question first second you will solve mean deviation about the mean. Now start the solution here. The question first here, exercise. What is the exercise here? This one is the exercise 15.1. question number first here given, data here 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13 and 17. This is here given, your observation here given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that you will first find the median. First you find the mean of the data. Then you will find the mean deviation about the mean. So what is the mean of this given data here? So first of all you find the mean. The means this symbol of the mean here. Then you will write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Divide by 8. And then you write 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 17. So what is the total of this data here? 13, 17, 30, 42, 52, 61 and 69, 70 and next आपका this one is the 80 upon 8. The result here come here 10. So then when you subtract, multiply, divide by this 80 by 10, then you will get the 10 here. Your mean here, what value of the mean here? Value of the mean here 10. After that, step second, you will find the mean deviation about the mean. You can step second first, after that you find the mean deviation. Step second is absolute value of the, in this way. So then you will find here absolute value of this, absolute value of the first data of 4 minus 10. What result come here? 6. Next 4 minus 7 minus 10, this equal to 3. Next absolute value of the next data 8 minus 10, the result will get 2. Next 9 minus 10, what absolute value here? 1. Next 10 minus 10, this absolute value here 0. Next 12 minus 10, 12 minus 10, the result here comes 2. And next value here 13 minus 10, the result here come 13 minus 10, the result here come 3. And next value here 17 minus 10, the result here comes 7. So then you check how many data you get here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You have collected all data of the deviation of the with the help of the mean. Step third, you will find the mean deviations about mean. Then you will find here sigma xi minus mean upon n. Then you can putting the value of sigma. Total data you will write here. What is the value of this? 6 first, second 3, next 2, next data plus 1, plus 0, plus 2, plus 3 and plus 7 and divide by 8. First of all, you will find the mean of the given observation. Your given observation of this. So first of all, you find the sum of the observation upon number of the observation. Then you will get the mean here 10. After that, you will find the absolute deviation of the mean. So this is observation, this is the mean value. The every data you will find the observation minus mean, observation minus mean, observation minus, then you will find these all observation deviations here. Then you will have mean deviations, mean you will find the mean value of these observations. You will find the mean value of these observations means, so then what value first is 6, 3, then you will find this and total number of value again 8. Meaning you will find the again your mean. So then what is the total value of this? 24, 6 to 3 9 and plus 9 to 11 and 12, 13, 14 and 14, 10, 24, 24 upon 8. Then you get 8, 3 is 24. So this is the value of the mean deviation about mean. This is your answer. Very simple. Similarly, we will find the second part of this question. Same, first observation, then you find the mean, then you find the absolute value of the deviation, then you find the putting the value of the identity, and then you get the answer. Next. Yes, student, next question will solve the question number 3rd. This question here is the mean deviation about the median. How to find out the mean deviation about the median here. The question number 3rd here, the given data here 13, 17, 16, 14, 11, 13 and 10, again 16, again 11 and again 18 and again 12 and again 17. So here these data here, these observations are given here. So first count the observation here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Value of the n here given is 12. This is the even. You will be using the identity of the median even numbers. The first condition here, you will first write in the given observation in the ascending order. First arrange in this given data in the ascending order. Arranging in the ascending order. Arranging in ascending order. Ascending order. So what is the smallest number here? Smallest number here 10. So first you write there 10. After that here 10, 11. 11 here 2 times, first and second. 11 here 2 times. So then you write 2 times. After that here check the 12. 12 here only 1 times. After that 13 or 13 here first and second 2 times here. So you write 2 times. Next 14 and 14 here only 1 times. Next 16, 15 not here. So then 16, 16 here first and second and 2 times here 16. Next here 17, 17 first and 17 second. This 2 times 17. Next here 18. Your last observation is 18. So now check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So your data is complete. After that you will find the median of this data. But here given condition here the even number. So how to find out the median here? So first you write the identity here. Median equal 1 upon 2 n upon 2 observation plus n upon 2 plus 1 observation in this way. So first of all, what value of the n here? 12. 12 upon 2 means sixth observation. Sixth observation plus, or 6 plus 1 means seventh observation. First, what value of the n here? Value of the n here 12. That means 12 upon 2 means 6. Sixth observation. 12 upon 2 plus 1 means seventh observation. So you will check this sixth observation and seventh observation when you write the data in ascending order. So first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your sixth observation 13 and seventh observation 14. So 1 by 2. Sixth observation is 13 and next is 14. Your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth observation and seventh observation. The 13 and 14. So what will be here? So 1 by 2 into 4, 3, 7, 1, 1, 2, 27 by 2, or 27 by 2 means divided by 2, 1 is 2, or 2, 3 is 6, or 2, 5, 13.5. So this is your median. Value of the median here 13.5. After that you will find your mean deviation about the mean. So first you check this calculation first, if there any mistake or not here. When first you check, before finding the mean deviation, you will check the calculation कि any data is right, any data is missing or not, you are repeating or not, and you are using the arithmetic correct or not, your addition is correct or not, and division is correct or not. Everything you check the calculation of the question before finding the mean deviation about the median. After that you will find the next step, you will find the median ki x minus m4 your median. This is the observation minus median. M4 represents the median. Then how to find your observation? First observation you are 10. You will check the from here 10 minus 13.5. Then you will write here 3.5. Next observation your 11. 11 minus 13.5. So what is left here? 2.5. Next observation your next same 11 minus 11 the same here, 11 minus 5 here same 12 minus 13 minus 5. Then you will write here 1.5 and then repeat this number. 11 minus 13.5, then you will get same number here 2.5. Next 12 complete here. Next here 13 minus 13.5, then you will get here 0.5. Next 13 minus 13.5, the result here get 0.5. And next 14 minus 13.5, the result here get 0.5. And next here 16 minus 13.5, then 3.5, 2.5. And next 16 minus the same number 13.5, then you will get here 2.5. And next here 17 minus 13.5, so what result you will get here 3.5. And next result here 17, same here 17 minus 13.5, the result here get 3.5. And next result last year 18 minus 13.5, the result here get 4.5. This is your observation. So now you will be you check again it कि any calculation mistake or not. After that you will find the mean deviation about the mean. What is the mean deviation about the mean here? The mean deviation about the median. This is your median formula. You are subtract the median here. So you will find here the mean deviation about median. How to find it? Again you will find the mean of this data. How many data here? Your data total is 12. total data here 12, then you will find first 1.5 plus 3.5, next 2.5, next 2.5 plus next 1.5 plus 0.5 plus 0.5 plus 0.5 and next 0.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 3.5 plus 3.5 and plus 4.5. Now find the sum of these 12. Then you will get here 3.5 at 2.5 6 and 6 and 3 and 4 4 6 10 11 11 3 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 22 and 4 26 27 and 128. Total here 28 upon 12. The result will get here the 12 to the 24 and 24 4 and point 12 4 12 is 36 and 12 is 36. So your mean deviation about median equal to 2.33. This is your answer. According this way you will find the answer. But when you find calculating here there, you will calculate very carefully. Second things here, you will be solve this data in tablet also here. So how to make the table here? You will make a table of this data very easily. According this way, suppose you want to make the table of this data, so very easily make it. So first you find the median. So what is the median value of the median here? 13.5. After that you write here observations and then you write here the absolute value of the median. Absolute value of the median here, and then you calculate here and then you find the solution. According this you find the tablet form also. So now we will solve the next question here. Yes, then next question we will solve the question number 5. Find the mean deviation about the mean for the data in question number 5 and 6. 5th and 6th, suppose this is the observation or frequency of the observation also given. When observation and frequency also given of the observation, what frequency of the particular observation, then how to find of the mean deviation. The same thing, first of all you will find the mean and then you will find the mean deviations. In this question you will solve here in tablet form here. The first we will write question number 5 here. What is the observation here? X. Name of the 5. After that 5 and 10, 15 and 20 and 25. What frequency of the 5 year? Frequency of the 5 year 7 and frequency of 10 year 4, frequency of 15 year 6, frequency of 20 year 3 and frequency of 25 year 5. After that you will be find here the mean. How to find out the mean here? Then you will find here fx. Simple methods of you find the fx. So because your data is smaller, then you can easily find out the product form. A simple mean. 7 5 is 35, 10 4 is 40, 15 6 is 90, 6 is 90, 23 is 60, or 25 5 is 125. So then you will be find here. After that you will be find of the what value of the n here, means sigma n, what total of the frequency. So then you will find the total 5 or 3 8 14 18 or 25. The total value here 25. After that you will find the sigma fx. Now total of this, what value of this sigma fx, what value of this sigma fx here? So your value of the sigma fx here 5 or 5 10 and 10 6 to 8 18 and 4 22 and 3 25 5 carry 2 or 1 3 the 350. Then you will find your mean of this data. First of all, find out the mean of this data. So what is the mean of this? Is sigma fx upon n. According to this identity, what value of sigma fx? 350 upon n. What value of n here? 25. Then you solve it. 25 1 ja 25 and 25 4 25 1 ja 25 10 10 25 4 ja 100. So the value of the mean here 14. So you have get a value of the mean. After that you will find the mean deviations. So then you will make the next column here mean deviations. Mean deviations, observation minus mean. What will you get here? This is the absolute value of this. According this way, what value of this? 5 minus mean 14, or what will result come here? 9. 5 minus 14. Next 10 minus 14, what result get here? 4. This in here, this second data here. Next 15 minus 14, the data will get here 1. Next 20 minus 14, the data you will get here 6. And 25 minus 5, the data will be get here 20. After that you will be find here f into mod x and observation. Sorry, observation. This one is the observation. The multiply by 7 9 is 63. This value will multiply in the frequency. 7 9 is 63, 4 4 is 16, 6 1 is 6, 3 6 is 18, and 5 20 is 25 100. So what value of the sigma of this of? So then you calculate of this value here. 100 at 20 18 at 24 and 30 40 and 40 and 63 then 158 6 3 9 9 15 23 का 3 के 2 3 4 4 3 and 4 6 16 18 6 53. So this result sorry wrong here. This is 14 21 and 11 here, or this will be come here 55. The result here come here 150 158. The result here come 158. Correct answer is 158 because here 55. But then value of the median here not 5, value of median of the 14. The value of the median here everywhere 14. But then you subtracted 14 this, then get the 11 here, and then you multiply 11 into 5 55. So the result here 158. After that you will be find here mean deviation about the mean. The mean deviation about the median. So this sigma mean deviation on f and mean deviation of the minus median upon n. What value of the n here? Value of the n here 25. This value. And what value of this 158 here? This value of the 158, and calculated. Then after calculate 25 6 ja 150 and 8 25 3 ja 75 80 25 3 ja 75 and 25 2 ja 50. The mean deviation about the median equal to 6.32. This is your correct answer, final answer of these questions. So how to find out the mean deviation? When frequency and observation both given here, both the condition are given, the first of all you will find the mean with help of the three columns, first column, second column, third column. You will find the mean here. After that you will after finding the mean here, then you will find the absolute value of the this is the mean, not this is the mean, this is the mean value here. Then you will write the mean, don't write here the median, this is wrong. Then you write here mean, because you are finding with help of the mean here, then you will write here the mean, don't write here the median. When you find the median, then you write here the median. When you find here the mean, then you write here the mean. This is the correct word. So after that you will find here a mean or absolute value of the mean, then you multiply with this value in the f, then you correct sum of this, then you putting the value of after that in this identity, then you calculate and find the correct answer of this. Yes, note down it.